Hello, today we will guide you through how to change language on FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the display language of the FXCM Trading Station web platform so the interface matches your preference. We'll keep things simple and explain what you'll see along the way. Start by opening the FXCM Trading Station in your browser. Go to the FXCM web trading page and sign into your account. Once the platform loads, you'll see the main trading dashboard with charts, quotes, and panels. Interfaces can vary slightly depending on your region and window size, so if something looks a bit different, that's normal. Next, look to the top right corner of the platform for your account profile. This is typically shown as an avatar, a small user icon, or your initials inside a circle. If your browser window is narrow, you may need to maximize it or zoom out a little to reveal the full top bar. When you've located the profile area, click it to open a small menu. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a panel or page where you can manage general preferences for the platform. Settings is where FXCM groups options that personalize your experience, and language is one of the most commonly adjusted items here. Within Settings, find the Language section. You'll see a current language displayed alongside a small arrow or caret. Click the Language drop-down to open the full list of available languages. The list may show languages in their native names. For example, you might see Español, Francais, or Deutsch, so scan carefully for the one you prefer. If the list is long, take your time and scroll. There's no need to change any other options. Choose your preferred language by clicking it once. FXCM typically applies this change immediately, and you should see menus, labels, and buttons update across the platform. If the interface doesn't switch right away, give it a moment. A brief refresh may occur automatically. You don't usually need to save anything else, as the preference is stored for your account on the web platform. That's all it takes. Open the trading platform, access your profile in the top right, go into Settings, use the Language dropdown, and select the language you want. This change only affects the user interface. Your trading accounts, instruments, and market data remain exactly the same. If you use multiple devices or browsers, repeat these steps where needed so your experience is consistent everywhere. You've successfully changed the language on FXCM. Enjoy navigating the platform in the language that suits you best, and continue trading with confidence.